हेलो नमस्कार दोस्तों। अधिवक्ताओं के लिए, नए वकीलों के लिए जो नए रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाने वाले हैं उनके लिए यहाँ पे खुशखबरी सुप्रीम कोर्ट के द्वारा 30 जुलाई 2024 को जजमेंट दिया गया था। जो रिट पिटीशन डाली गई थी 352 नंबर 2023 में, गौरव कुमार वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया एंड अदर्स रिस्पोंडेंट विथ, इसमें जजमेंट आ गया है जिसमें 750 रुपये जनरल एंड ओबीसी कैटेगरी के लिए ऑर्डर आया है। रजिस्ट्रेशन फीस जो होगी स्टेट बार राज्य बार काउंसिल में, और SC/ST कैटेगरी के लिए सिर्फ 125 रुपीज़ 125 रुपये मात्र रजिस्ट्रेशन फीस रहना होगा। जिसमें आर्टिकल 14 अनुच्छेद 14 को बताया गया है कि इसके कारण इसको लागू किया जाना चाहिए, जो कि उल्लंघन था, अगेंस्ट में था। ये आर्टिकल 224 फर्स्ट 24 अंडर सेक्शन 1 सब सेक्शन F में मेंशन है फीस के बारे में, जो कि रूल प्रेस्क्राइब द स्टेट बार राज्य बार काउंसिल के अंदर जनरल प्रोविजन है। उसमें रजिस्ट्रेशन फीस, पंजीकरण फीस जो थी उसके लिए उसमें बात की गई है। अधिवक्ता अधिनियम जो है एडवोकेट्स एक्ट 1961, उसके बारे में उसमें बताया गया है। लीगल बैकग्राउंड जो इसका है 68 पेज का 68 पेज में बताया गया। 13वें नंबर पे है कोर्ट साइड आर बार काउंसिल प्रिस्क्राइब एट पेटेंट 1926। देखिए, ये तो अभी से that in order to carry the duties and all bar council and the state bar council is require funds at present aggregate time of their enrollment pay a certain amount ranging 25 to 100 which goes to bar council beside the 250 to 1150 which goes to state. In trade, the professionals other than legal professionals are not required to pay any amount to state as and by way of admission fee. Persons exercise any professions calling or vocational including advocates and in several places have to pay. This is the license of fees, but there is no reason why there should be taxation by the state at the time of enrollment of registration के समय ही क्यों? So the committee suggests that advocate at the time of his admission shall pay the sum of 500 to the state bar council to which make his application, and nothing should be payable to the state. This amount may be paid in the lump sums or an advocate may elect to pay annual amounts of 50 rupees with an option to pay 500 at the time, amount already paid not being the deducted. Those wakil and pleaders who according to the enrolled and advocates may be pay 500 and the lump sum or annual amount 550 rupees with the option mentioned above. Each state bar council with the option mentioned above, each state bar council shall for the first 5 years contribute 40% and the enrollment fees received by it the All India Bar Council at the end of the first year probation contribution may be considered. तो ये है आपका नया लॉज So far the bar council concerned, fees the 250 is not very unreasonable, especially having the regard fact that when the setting up and the effective and the useful and discharge and function give the under statute, then the required funds and for their 250 per entrant is not too much fee pay the vendor. Bar Council of UP and State of UP. The issue before the three-judge bench whether the state legislature could be imposed the stamp duty and the certificate is in the enrollment payable under the 224 first F is covered by the 1896 and list first concerning the imposing stamp duty. It was held that stamp duty payable on the certificate of enrollment cannot be regarded condition prescribed for the enrollment because it pertain to the domain of taxation. It was held that the state legislature was competent to levy stamp duty under the entry 44 of the list third of the 7th schedule. The Advocate Act was enacted to implement the recommendation of the All Bar Council Committee according to the statement, objects and reason. The main feature of the enactment are all bar council common role advocate integration of the single legal practice known as a prescribed uniform creation of the autonomous bar council, one of the whole India and one of the each state. It did not prescribe. Dr. Haniraj L. Chulani versus Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa. They held the advocate provide a complete code for the regulating the legal education and professional qualification and the aspirant seeking entry into the legal profession. Delegated legislation. The principle underlying the concept of delegated legislation is that the legislature cannot be directly accept its very will in every detail. It lays down to the legislative policy. Modern legislation provides and the chapter is power of levy fees. Article 265 the Constitution of India. This is the very important part. Article stipulates the no tax shall be levied collected except by the authority of the law. Article 266 and 28 define a taxation or tax to include the imposition of a tax or impost whether general, local or special. CIT McDonald and Company Limited and three-judge bench. The court enunciated the principles of interpreting Article 265. Read with the Article 366 of 28. The tax duty says fees constituting the class donate various kinds of imposed by state in its sovereign power of taxation to raise the revenue for the state within the each species. Thank you.